Hi, welcome to IDR Acupuncture YouTube channel. My name is Dhanraj. What if I can say that if you have three brains and when you synchronize those three brains, you can achieve all your desires and wishes? Yes, as an individual, we have three different brains. Scientists have proven the concept that we do have three different brains, and when we synchronize those three, we can achieve a higher self and realize our fullest potential. The three brains are being classified as the head brain, which we all normally know, the brain which has been said for many long years. The second is called as the heart brain, and the third is called as gut brain. As we all know, like the head brain is mainly responsible for logical thinking, analysis, and decision making, whereas the heart is majorly responsible for emotions like compassion, love, anger, sorrow, worries, etc. Whereas the gut brain is more into intuition, as many people would say, like, I followed the gut feeling, or due to some reason, like, there is a gut feeling like I have to do this particular task and it went well. So these three are the major classifications of those brains. Our head brain comprises of billions of neurons which communicate with each other through a modem called a synapse, which is again based upon the thoughts, feelings, behaviors, attitudes, and the things which an individual sees, the inputs which he receives from the environment. Whereas the gut brain comprises of millions of neurons, which is mainly responsible for bisecting the foods, converting them into energy, and eliminate waste. Moreover, the gut brain secretes an important neurochemical called as serotonin, which is also called as an happy hormone. 95% of the serotonin it's been secreted in the gut. So our happiness, etc., is again based upon this particular hormone. When we are happy, this hormone gets secreted, it passes all through our body, brain, etc., and we feel more compassionate. The third one is called as the heart brain, which comprises of thousands of neurons, and though it is mainly responsible for emotional aspect, it enables in secreting important thing called as peptides, which is responsible for lowering the blood pressure, also facilitates the higher functionality of kidneys. This particular peptides is enable in secreting oxytocin, which is also called as love chemicals. Hence, we get a more, kind of love, affection towards the individuals. So, when we synchronize these three brains, the head, heart, and the gut, we can do wonders. So, the combination of these wisdom of these three brains, we can go deep awareness into ourselves, be more mindful of our activities, and we can also tap our highest potential. So, our folk in yoga, mainly in the Patanjali yoga concept, they say that gut is the center of our inner universe. So that's the reason, like, people have a new kind of healing technique of applying oils, different kind of oils on your gut, on the belly button, in order to cure many diseases. So when we understand the concepts of these three different brains, and when we harmonize the functionality of these three, when all these three brains combine together, we can unleash our fullest potential, enable in experiencing massive powerful mind power, which will enable us to achieve our goals and desires. I hope you like this video. Please share your thoughts, comments, questions in the comment box. I will try and attempt to answer them. Thank you. Have a nice day.